Hey tribe, welcome back. Really excited to reconvene. Our class starts April 1st and it goes through November 4th. And if this is your first time taking this class, welcome. I appreciate you being involved. I appreciate you coming, taking a risk on us, right? We are a beautiful community of like-minded individuals coming together to absolutely share our light, grow our light, expand our light, and just make the world a better place. So welcome, and I'm excited that you're going to be part of it. So a little backdrop to our group, right? We started in 2015, and some of you have followed every series through, so open thank you for that. And some of you have only taken a couple, doesn't matter. And some of you are absolutely brand spanking new and have no idea what to expect. So I thought I'd do a little intro, set it up for this year, tell you the changes that are going to be happening, and do a little housekeeping prior to you coming. So let me go. Every Monday for the next, from April to November, the first Monday of every month, we meet, and the meet goes from 7 till 9. And I do ask that you arrive early so that we can intercircle together. So 10 of 7 is perfect. We do intercircle, and in circle we will be covering whatever that topic is. So let me break out this year. We've done intuitiveness, intuition, we've studied the chakra system, Buddhism, we did some coaching. This year I'm excited about my list, and my list can change, by the way, if there's something on here. It's a moving document, okay? Here's what we're going to be doing this year. We're going to be looking at the Enneagrams, which is kind of like profiling our own energy system, and we have wings. That'll make sense when I teach the class. We have Janelle helping with some health coaching. We have Carolyn doing some Reiki. Hopefully Gretchen's going to help me with astrology or numerology or NLP. Not maybe all of it, don't know. We're going to be learning Ayruvedics. Deb said she had somebody that we're going to be diving into what is Ayurvedic. It's food, it's eating for the doshas. Either you're cold, hot, warm. You're going to learn about that. We're going to also learn about the Akashic Records, which is the library of our souls. And then Sarah is going to finish up our series with Goddess Yoga. So we're going to be focused on goddess-like things for an entire month. Doesn't that sound divine? Whew, I'm excited. So this series is going to be different in the sense that instead of just me being on video, I'm going to be doing and setting up to do interviews. So I'm really excited about offering that to you. I'll be recording them. They'll go out on my YouTube channel. You absolutely have to watch the interview prior to coming to class, so you get to learn about that modality, and then we will spend that full month diving into that modality, actually doing Ayruvedics and doing Goddess Yoga and partaking in health coach concepts and Enneagrams and the rest of it. And we'll be sharing this with each other and with our group. So if you can't make the majority of, I would say, all the meetings, maybe there's one you can't make because your calendar and you got a doctor's appointment that day, no problem. If you look at your calendar and the list and you're going to miss half the class because you're a snowbird or you're traveling for most of those, or you work every other Monday, do me a favor and pull out. I really do want everyone to have good attendance, good activities, good participation, a good contribution on Facebook. It seems like it took a full series for us to really actively do the post last year as a group. So I'm looking for that to be a change this year. I want to come out of the gate with that. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm really excited to bring this series to you. If there's something on the list that you would like to know more about, hey, shout out to me. You know, I am absolutely love learning, and I will find out what I can. I am here to assist you to be the best expression of yourself. You absolutely will be added to a Facebook group if you're taking this class physically, you're coming, and you can take this class also on YouTube or virtually. So, doors are open. This is Jeannie. Doors are literally open. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to teaching. I look forward to this series. Love and light. Can't wait. See you all April 1st. And yeah, let's get ready to expand our consciousness. Have a great day.